Easy Off has been my brand forever in my kitchen and my oven.
I rely on my oven all year round, but the last few months, my oven's been being used so much more.
It has grease and stuff that has dripped down on the bottom part of the oven, and it just is so caked on. We have got our work cut out for us.
So either you need to do a good deep cleaning or a quick spot cleaning.
This amazing product is gonna help me. This is the Easy Off Fume-Free Oven Cleaner. So this is a spray-on oven cleaner that just penetrates through tough grease.
And now they make a fume-free, lemon-scented one that I can be in my kitchen while I use it and not have to leave the room. And I also don't have to use any gloves anymore.
So Easy Off removes tough oven grease and spills in just 30 seconds. It is perfect for spot cleaning and everyday use.
That's gonna be a snap with Easy Off.
And you don't even need gloves. You can use a paper towel or a cloth, and look how easy it lifts up the grease.
So I love this Easy Off because it releases absolutely no caustic fumes, which is really important to me because the health of my family is obviously my top priority.
And because Easy Off has a fume-free formula and a lemon scent, it's really gentle. It doesn't bother me to breathe it. Also, it doesn't bother my hands.
I cannot believe how disgusting and gross I let my oven get. So I'm so excited that I got the Easy Off into our house so that I could get it all cleaned off and that it looks so much better now.
The Easy Off Fume-Free Oven Cleaner. It was so easy to use. Just literally spray it on, leave it, and grime was just easily wiped off. Happy cleaning!